Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Math is Fun TV. In this video, you will learn about sequences part 1. But before we start, please click the subscribe button. Let's begin this lesson with this question. What comes next? Number 1, circle, heart, heart, circle, heart, heart, blank. Number 2, big A, big C, big C, big A, big C, big C, big A, blank. Number 3, 1, 3, 9, 27, blank. And number 4, 1, 6, 11, 16, blank. Let's find out the answers. Number 1, that is circle. You are correct. Number 2, C, C. You are correct. Number 3, that is 81. Good job. And number 4, the next answer is 21. Very smart. What is a sequence? It is a function whose domain consists of consecutive positive integers starting from 1, which may be a finite set, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth up to n, or an infinite set, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. And it follows a rule or pattern. What is a term? It refers to each number in the sequence. It is denoted by a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, so on and so forth up to a sub n or the nth term. So for example, what are the terms in the sequence 6, 11, 16, 21, and 26? For the solution, let's have this table. So we have position of terms, which is denoted by n, and the value of the term which is denoted by a sub n. So what composes the value of the terms? These are the numbers given in our sequence. So just list them down. So we have 6, 11, 16, 21, and 26. Now, what do we mean by position of terms, or n? So position of terms refers to 1 or the first term, 2 or second term, 3 or third term, 4th or number 4, and 5 or the fifth term. So therefore, in this sequence, we have the value of a sub 1 or the first term is 6, the value of the second term or a sub 2 is 11, the value of the third term or a sub 3 is 16, and the value of a sub 4 or fourth term is 21, and the value of the fifth term or the a sub 5 is 26. Now, what is a finite sequence? It is a sequence whose domain is the first n positive integers. It is a sequence with specific number of terms. It has a last term. So for example, we have 6, 11, 16, 21, and 26. This sequence has 5 terms, and the last term is 26. Therefore, since it has a specific number of terms, which is 5, therefore this can be considered as a finite sequence. And also, it has a last term, which is 26. What is an infinite sequence? It is a sequence whose domain is the set of all positive integers. It has infinite number of terms. It does not have a last term. For example, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, so on and so forth. This sequence has infinite number of terms. It does not have a last term. The ellipses here indicates that this sequence will continue and will never end. That's why it will have an infinite number of terms, and also the last term is not given. That is why it is considered as an infinite sequence. You've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you learned something today, please like, share, and subscribe.